for a pair of jeans that I can dress up. Hey guys, it is 4th of July. So today I'm just wearing a black tank top from Everlane, Gemary, hoops and necklaces, rose field watch. My jeans are the pinch waist jeans by ookioh, and sandals are also from Everlane. Hair slicked back, you guys know the drill. It's 1,002 degrees outside. We're gonna go over some friend's house, hang out for the rest of the afternoon. I'm wearing another tank top from Everlane. These shorts are by ookioh, shoes are M. Parsons, bag is from W Concept, and jewelry is by Gemary. Surprise, surprise. I actually have to put earrings on. I've been on the hunt for a pair of jeans that I can dress up, like wear heels with if I needed to, you know, something very plain that I can dress up and dress down. And I've really wanted a pair of like wide leg jeans, but I never found some that didn't look like super 70s, like bell bottoms. So I think that these are fairly new. This is a new style from Citizens of Humanity, and I'm obsessed. It's the perfect shade of blue, in my opinion. It has a very good rise. I would say this is like an 11.5 to 12-inch rise, and I'm currently wearing it with my by far Tanya mules, but I could wear it with flats. It just looks a lot better like if I wear it with heels. But yeah, I didn't have a pair of jeans in my closet that I can like wear to go out. All my jeans are super, I don't know, I feel like they're very casual. I feel like the wide leg makes it a lot more fancy. So yeah, very versatile. Let me try it on with sandals. By the way, I ended up staying with the smaller size in the YSL sandals. If you guys saw my last vlog, you would have seen that I got these in a bigger size based on reviews. And I ended up ordering the smaller size, like my usual size. They fit fine, but the color, I liked the color of the other ones better, but I still kept these anyway. I don't have that color in my collection, so yeah, these are just my M. Parsons sandals. You see, I can wear them with flats. It doesn't look too bad. They touch the floor, but whatever, I don't really care. I like the whole casual vibe. Yeah, I just finished filming a video. Little setup. Studio in the living room. My top is from CMEO, I think. Jewelry is from Gemary. Bag is Little Lifner. And shoes are by far mules. Gonna go have dinner. This silky blouse is giving me so much life. been filming the majority of the day. I'm gonna go have some drinks and eat with Josie, Stephanie, and Johanna. So I told Roger to like clean out his closet and just like get rid of things that he just doesn't wear, and he refused to get rid of the shirt. But let me show you. This is like his favorite Transformers shirt, but please look at the armpit. It's all stained. It has holes in the armpits. Like what? It looks like a bug came and ate his shirt, or a rat or something. The sign is all stained and he like refuses to get rid of it. Just threw on some clothes because I'm gonna have a quick little workout before I eat breakfast. I've been working out at home on the days that I have to film because if I go to the gym, by the time I get back, I'm just really tired. So I try to do like a 20 to 30 minute little workout in my backyard before the sun comes up completely and it's like 110 degrees outside. I don't know if I showed you guys my wall. I had a leak going on and we had to like completely remove this whole portion of the wall, and I'm waiting for like an inspection today to be able to go ahead and fix all of this. But yeah, need to clean that. And that's breakfast. The eggs look gross, but I promise it's really, really good. I just finished filming and I'm sweating. I got this little dress, which is very similar to one that I recently featured on my channel from CMEO. It's like this little baby doll dress, but this one is kind of like a linen material. So this one's better for over a bathing suit or like resort wear and things like that. And then this one, which is the other baby doll one that I had mentioned, the long sleeve with the ruching, this one's more for like a night out. You can wear it with like nice strappy sandals and make it more fancy. This one is more for like resort wear or to wear over a bathing suit or something. It is a lot more casual than the other one, so that is why I'm justifying having both of them. I just paired it with my little headband. The majority of my jewelry is Gemary, of course, besides these earrings right here, which are by Some, and they're tarnished. I've had them forever. I tried polishing them today, but they are pretty tarnished, so I think I'm gonna use these for like the beach and stuff. It's 1,000 degrees outside. My vlogs have just become a series of me complaining about the weather, but sorry guys. I don't know what else to tell you. I really don't. Hey guys, it is Monday the 22nd and we are on our way to another little staycation.
Another one.
Another one. We went on one for our anniversary 4 months ago and it was time for another one. So we're staying at the Miami Beach edition. Never been there before. We shall see if we like it. We're almost there. Room tour. This is the entrance. We got the bathroom over here. And then originally we didn't have a balcony, but now they gave us a little terrace because we came early. Perks of coming early. Not the prettiest view, but better than no balcony at all. Roger already clogged the sink. They're currently here fixing it. I can't take you anywhere. Today's outfit, I have this dress, which is from the Otter Side. Hat is from Lack of Colors. Some earrings I found on Amazon because I don't like to wear very expensive jewelry for the beach or pool or whatever. Glasses are, I don't even know where my glasses are from. Rumba Time, I think. Yeah, Rumba Time. And YSL flats. And that is it. That is all. Dinner, I'm wearing my Under the Story skirt with this old top, which is like a ribbed kind of knitted top that's old from Zara. Shoes are by far, and same jewelry besides this necklace, which is from Gemary. Hair is still drying as per usual, and my Fendi little vintage bag. This is what we do at hotels, guys. We walk around with slippers. We're gonna go try to find ice and water.
Card?
I have it. Update. We're still walking. We still haven't found the ice and shake.
There's a reason why we have this in our rooms.
Yeah, there has to be ice around here somewhere. I just have no idea where. Facial and a scalp massage. Because who doesn't want a scalp massage? Anyways, I look like crap. But it's fine. We're fine. Tonight's outfit, I have this little like cowl neck top, which is from Another Stories, Majuri jewelry, Citizens of Humanity, I don't know, it's like the wide leg pants, can't remember the name of them, By Far, Libra mules, and my little baguette bag from W Concept. Moral, I think, is the name of the brand. Got a scalp massage, so there's currently like deep conditioner in this hair. And yeah, earrings are by Majuri too. And necklaces. That is all. We're going to go have some wine and probably eat something. Jesus, my arms are so red. So we're walking around trying to find something to do. By the way, if you guys are ever planning on getting these shoes from By Far, the Libra mules, they're actually pretty comfortable for walking.
Yeah, she doesn't complain.
I haven't complained, and that's like unheard of. Could be the fact that they're like an inch high. But they're comfortable, so that's all that counts. Good morning, guys. For today's outfit, I have the top of my bathing suit. I forgot where this bathing suit is from, but I'll link it down below. The skirt from Nanine. Shirt is just a linen shirt from 4 Isle. Same Amazon hoops. The scarf is from Osma of California. Osma of California. And that's it. Sandals. Just some thong sandals. Rumba sunglasses. We're ready. Okay, I took my hoops off and put this little shell gold necklace from Bobble Bar because the hoops were a little much with the scarf. For tonight's outfit, I am wearing the same bandana that I was wearing on my head today. I used it as a top. Pants are from Nanine and YSL flats, which look a little weird, but I don't have any other flats. And W Concept black bag. And jewelry is from Gemary again. Forgot to put a watch on.
No, because it's got big structures.
Trying to fill our little ice bucket with ice, but we have no idea. Is this thing zooming in or out? I don't even know.
Babe.
Fix your hair. There's still a little piece hanging out the side there.
What are you doing, a facial and a Botox?
A facial and a scalp massage.
That.